Right, here we come to the elevator at the College of Veterinary Science building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is a Dover with Epco flush line fixtures from 1968, and this elevator's got an epic motor. And it's already here. Let's give this thing a ride. B. This is also a take using my iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, I'm gonna close the door and we're gonna go listen to this motor. Looks like the door close button does not work. You hear the relays. You ready? Here we go. Seems to me that it's a little bit low on oil. Back down to 1 and we'll end it there. Here's your phone. This is definitely another one of my favorite elevators on campus. These are Epco flush line fixtures. I believe those are Adam's key switch, but I'm not sure though. I already did my cab view. And here we are at 1. Right, there it goes. And that's it.